So, good morning. I am Lakshmi Pate MG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Madhugiri, Tumkur District, Karnataka State. My title is Financial Accounting 2. Now I am discussing session number 29. The topics covered a sale of a firm to a limited company. Under this session, I am discussing about recording, incorporation, journal entries and preparation of balance sheet in the books of purchasing company. So we before we take, I am taking one problem. First, I am discussing about the passing incorporation journal entries and other entries in the books of purchasing company. Nearly we in this steps we are recording, we are passing three or four maximum, minimum three journal entries, sorry, minimum two, maximum three of the journal entries to be passed. Incorporation, that is opening journal entries, are to be passed. The first one is for purchase consideration due. The journal entry is business purchase account debtor to vendor firm. The second journal entry is for assets and liabilities taken over at an agreed value, that is debiting all individual assets account and crediting all individual liabilities account and crediting to vendor's firm account. In this situation, when the total of liabilities and business purchase is more than the assets, the difference is treated as goodwill. When the total assets are more than the total liabilities and business purchase, the difference is treated as capital reserve. And next entry for discharge of purchase consideration. Vendor firm account debtor to cash or bank account to share capital account to debentures account to share premium account. Note for this entry, when the shares or debentures are issued at a premium or at a discount to the vendor firm, premium should be transferred to share premium account and discount should be transferred to discount on issue of shares or debentures. Okay, we take first one problem. Pass incorporation journal entries in the books of purchasing company from the following particulars. That is, purchase consideration rupees 5 lakh and value of sundry assets taken over rupees 6 lakh and current liabilities taken over rupees 60,000 and settlement of PC is equal to 60% in equity shares of rupees 10 each at face value and the balance in 6% debentures of rupees 100 each at face value. So first we calculate purchase consideration. That is purchase consideration is given in the problem, that is agreed price rupees 5 lakh, and discharge of PC, that is in the form of equity shares 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, 3 lakh, in the form of 6% debentures 2 lakh, total 5 lakh is the purchase consideration. And calculation of net assets and capital reserve. So sundry assets is equal to 6 lakh less current liabilities is equal to 60,000. So net assets is equal to 5 lakh 40,000 and less purchase consideration is 5 lakh and the capital reserve is equal to 40,000. Just mistake, we entering into purchase consideration. So pass the journal entries in the books of purchasing company. One is business purchase account debtor 5 lakh to vendor firm 5 lakh being purchase consideration due. And second entry, sundry assets account debtor 6 lakh to current liability 60,000 to business purchase 5 lakh. The difference is the total debit side is more and credit side is less. The difference is called 40,000. So 40,000 is treated as capital reserve. So in this problem, the total assets are more than total liabilities and business purchase. The difference is treated as capital reserve. Being assets and liabilities taken over at agreed value and PC is due. The next entry is vendor firm account debtor 5 lakh to equity share capital account 3 lakh to 6% debentures account 2 lakh being PC is discharged. So we take problem number 2. Hari and Giri are partners sharing profits and losses equally, and their balance sheet on 31st March 2015 was as follows. Creditors 75,000, bills payable 5,000, bank loan 20,000, capital Hari 2 lakh, Giri 2 lakh. Total is 5 lakh. Cash in hand 6,500, land and building 2,50,000, furniture 50,000, debtors 93,500, profit and loss account 1 lakh. They decided to sell the firm to a limited company on the following terms and conditions. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 50,000. The purchasing company took over all the assets and liabilities and paid the purchase consideration as follows. So 50% in equity shares of rupees 10 each and the balance in cash. The partner agreed to share the equity shares and cash equally among themselves. So pass incorporation journal entries and prepare balance sheet in the books of purchasing company. So in this stage, first we calculation of PC by using net assets method. That is total assets taken over by purchasing company at agreed value, that is cash in hand 6,500, land and building 2,50,000, furniture 50,000, debtors 93,500, goodwill 50,000. The total assets taken over by purchasing company, that is 4,50,000 less total liabilities taken over by purchasing company at an agreed value is equal to creditors 75,000, bills payable 5,000, bank loan 20,000, total liabilities taken over rupees 1 lakh. So we deduct 1 lakh from 4,50,000. The purchase consideration is 3,50,000. So in this problem, the discharge of PC is specified in the form of equity shares by issuing 17,500 equity shares of rupees 10 each in the form of 10 each is equal to 1,75,000. And balance in the form of cash 1,75,000. Total purchase consideration is rupees 7 lakh. So we are passing incorporation journal entries in the books of purchasing company. The first one is for purchase consideration due. So business purchase account debtor 3,50,000, to vendor firm account 3,50,000 being PC due. And another one is for assets and liabilities taken over at an agreed value, that is cash account debtor 6,500, land and building account 2,50,000, furniture account 50,000, debtors account 93,500, goodwill account 50,000, to creditors 75,000, to bills payable 5,000, to bank loan 20,000, to business purchase 3,50,000. Here no difference, either debit side or credit side, everything is equal, being assets and liabilities taken over at an agreed value and PC due. Next, vendor firm account debtor to equity share capital 1,75,000, to cash account 1,75,000 being PC discharged. So next we are preparing opening balance sheet as on 31st December 2015. So in that case, we are preparing the balance sheet, opening balance sheet In the books of purchasing company, that is in liability side, 17,500 equity shares of rupees 10 each, that is 1,75,000 is the share capital, and creditors is also taken over at rupees 75,000. Bills payable is also taken over 5,000, and bank loan is also taken over 20,000, and bank overdraft is 1,75,000. That is cash account we are preparing 1,75,000. Next, cash in hand 6,500, land and building 2,50,000, furniture 50,000, debtors 93,500, goodwill 50,000. The total of the balance sheet both side 4,50,000. So this basis we prepare or passing or preparing opening journal entries and also preparing opening balance sheet in the books of purchasing company. So in any examination asking, then only we are preparing the opening balance sheet, otherwise we are not preparing. The next, so calculation of PC and discharge of PC is common. Suppose it is asked for 5 marks for opening journal entries, especially asking for 5 marks. So dear students, try yourself. A and B were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Their balance sheet on 31/3/2019, on which date they converted their firm into a company, was as follows. In liability side, creditor 6 lakh, mortgage on freehold premises 2 lakh, capital A, B, A 4 lakh, B 2 lakh, total 14 lakhs. So cash 1,40,000, debtors 5,20,000, stock 3,20,000, machinery 1 lakh, freehold premises 3,20,000. The company took over all the assets and liabilities except mortgage on freehold premises for a purchase price of rupees 12 lakhs. Payable rupees 2,40,000 in cash, rupees 4,80,000 in debentures, and the balance in equity shares of rupees 100 each. Mortgage loan has been paid and partners agreed to share the debentures and shares in proportion in their final capitals. The question is pass incorporation journal entries in the books of purchasing company and also opening balance sheet of the company. So in this, these are the references. So in this session, we are learning the opening journal entries and preparing opening balance sheet and also calculation of PC and discharge of PC, and if any differences at the time of passing opening journal entries for assets and liabilities taken over at that time when total liabilities and business purchase are more than the total assets, then the difference is treated as goodwill, and the total assets are more than total liabilities and business purchase, then the difference is treated as capital reserve. These are the informations we are learning in this session. Okay, thank you very much.